Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Now there are three important updates which I felt like sharing with you all. It seems like that on-campus classes for both school as well as colleges would commence post-election result provided the pandemic scenario normalize. Secondly, AICTE will rethink on the new norms for engineering admission. As you are aware of, that maths and physics has been made optional. Thirdly, for MAKAUT students, there has been an update from MAKAUT as a special mock session on Sunday and highlighted why students will be unable to download the admit card if any. So let's move on to the first major update, that many schools in the city will not start the new session for class 9 to class 12 in the physical mode till the poll results are declared. So tentatively, schools are planning to open up somewhere between 5th, 12th or 13th of April, or else it can even be April 20th. And will restart with online teaching for the senior section as well as for the college students, as physical classes would resume only after the election results are out. Moreover, it has also been said that physical reopening of classes could happen only after the vaccination is done and the board examination gets over by that particular time. Many of the schools and colleges are planning to reopen in the virtual mode and gradually to switch over in the physical mode in the month of May. Moreover, tentative start of classes will be in April, taking into consideration few holidays like the Bengali New Year or Ambedkar Jayanti. So classes will be from the month of April, tentatively 12th of April. And for MAKAUT students, it is important that your examination will be over by 26th of March, and therefore your classes might start for the next semester by 7th April. The second most important update is that AICTE is rethinking on the new norms for engineering admission. Now, a day after it was reported that mathematics and physics at class 12 level had been made optional for the admission to engineering courses, the All India Council of Technical Education on Friday said that the changes were not binding on any institution. Now, AICTE has withdrawn the approval process handbook of 2021-22, which has the new eligibility criteria. It has been said that keeping in view or the vision of the National Education Policy 2020, physics, chemistry as well as mathematics would continue to be an important subject in Indian engineering courses, but students would have the option to study biotechnology, textile or agricultural economics or agricultural engineering through the bridge courses. These guidelines were not compulsory, and state and institution would be free to continue with the existing policy. The third important update, as per MAKAUT, to all affiliated colleges, students who have not appeared in the mock test and uploaded photo and signature will not be able to download their admit card and appear in the exam. University has asked the affiliated colleges to inform the students. Moreover, a mock session has been arranged for all UG students who have not taken the mock test till now. The schedule is as follows. So for UG 7th semester, it is from 11 am to 12. For UG 3rd semester, it is from 1 pm to 2 pm. UG 5th semester is from 3 to 4 pm. And UG 1st semester is from 5 to 6 pm on Sunday. Moreover, MAKAUT examination has already started from 12th of March. There are as such no technical glitches as of now. Moreover, any video relating to education and examination processes, you will get updated information from this channel. So would request you to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you. Take care.